Hey, what is going on guys? Ben here. Today I am super excited to be checking out the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. So without further ado, let's just jump right on into the box. Now the first thing I want to touch upon with this year's new phones is the design. You can see I picked up the standard graphite color and this new Pacific blue. I actually really like this blue color combined with the frosted back glass and shiny stainless steel edges, and I think this is definitely this year's color combo to go with. They also sell this phone in the familiar silver and gold colors from previous years as well. Apple also redesigned the chassis of this phone. The phone is a little thinner and taller and has completely flat sides. This makes the phone even more grippy, and I'm actually so confident about it that I think this will be the first year that I actually rock my phone without a case on it. The flat sides and thinner body feel really nice in the hand, and I think they look fantastic and premium. My only gripe is that these flat edges act as a mirror and thus tend to show fingerprints and scuffs quite a bit easier than before. The glass, however, is supposed to be far more scratch resistant than before and can even handle drops 4 times better than the previous iPhone 11, though I'll leave that up to other reviewers to test out. Beyond design, Apple also implemented a few significant features to this phone as well. First, the screen got a boost in size from 5.8 inches to 6.1. Now, while this is a fairly small bump, as somebody who's used the 5.8 inch size of the phone for years now, I definitely notice it. The cameras on the back also got a small update with wider aperture lenses and better image processing for both photo and video, although the big camera bump comes to the larger 12 Pro Max with that massive sensor and image stabilization. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my video on that phone when it comes out. Apple also upgraded the processor on this phone to the A14 Bionic, and for the first time introduced 5G to the new iPhone. Now, while neither of these are revolutionary yet, it does result in a bit faster load times and overall performance, and my web browsing experience may have been a tiny bit speedier on 5G, thanks in part to my carrier T-Mobile's larger 5G network. However, despite how much Apple is touting 5G as the main feature of this phone, I actually don't think that's the reason why you should buy it. I actually think the big killer feature of this new iPhone is MagSafe. Hear me out. See, right now MagSafe is essentially limited to a few of Apple's own cases, a wallet accessory, and this magnetic puck charger. This is great to allow you to wirelessly charge the phone while holding it, something that you couldn't do with those flat table chargers. However, the real potential of MagSafe comes with that ring of magnets inside the phone once accessory makers actually start to design accessories that integrate with it. Peak Design already announced that they are working on a new lineup of camera accessories to work with this MagSafe standard, and other manufacturers are working on new stuff as well. This has the potential to let you really easily and seamlessly accessorize your iPhone with useful gadgets, cases, and decor. Furthermore, it's already known that Apple is planning to ditch the Lightning port in their future iPhones in about a year or two and go full wireless charging with this MagSafe standard. This means that there are going to be a ton of MagSafe accessories for the iPhone, and thus hopping on board the MagSafe train now allows you to essentially future-proof your phone when all of these new accessories come out. So all in all, the iPhone 12 Pro is a great phone. The iPhone 5S was actually my favorite designed phone by Apple of all time, and I think that this is the first phone in a while to really match that premium design aesthetic with those flat shiny edges and thinner design. Apple also added a number of meaningful features to this phone, from the durability, larger screen, camera bump, new processor, 5G, and MagSafe. Now, while I do love this phone, I know most people are gonna end up going with the standard iPhone 12, which essentially gets all of these new features, but just drops the telephoto camera and costs a whole $200 less. Still though, the iPhone 12 Pro is my new favorite phone from Apple, and it will be my daily carry for a while. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my unboxing and review of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button to check out all the cool content that will be coming out very, very soon on the new Apple products, the Oculus Quest, and this apartment tour. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. I'll catch you all in the next video.